The highly anticipated launch of NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card finally arrived today. Gamers all over the world have been waiting in eager anticipation to get their hands on this powerful GPU dash, and they aren't disappointed. Most retailers are offering the GeForce RTX 4070 at the MSRP of $599, making it one of the best values for 1440p gaming. A Cetrek GeForce RTX 4070 Founders Edition is only available from one retailer, Best Buy. However, shortly after launching at 9 a.m. in the East Coast, gamers quickly noticed that the GeForce RTX 4070 Fe was already showing as coming soon on Best Buy's website. Even when trying to add the card to their cart, users were met with a sold-out message. Luckily, Nintendo fans have other options. Newegg is currently offering 15 different RTX 4070 cards in stock at MSRP, plus, they come with a free copy of the Overwatch 2 Ultimate Battle Pass bundle. So far, the Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, and Zotac cards are all within the price range. Retailers such as Micro Center are listing cards with limited availability, buy and store tags, so if you're looking to purchase a GeForce RTX 4070 card, Newegg is your best bet. So, don't wait to get your hands on the latest and greatest hardware technology. Head over to Newegg today and get the GeForce RTX 4070 and the Overwatch 2 Ultimate Battle Pass bundle.